Halo semuanya, kembali lagi di channel Arilani Official. Kali ini saya akan membagikan info kode penukaran higgs domino yang terbaru. Namun sebelum lanjut ke kodenya, boleh dong saya minta like dan subscribe-nya sebagai penambah semangat saya untuk sering membagikan info kode penukaran higgs domino setiap hari kepada kalian semua. Oke, terima kasih untuk semuanya yang sudah support kanal ini dengan cara apapun. Semoga kalian sehat selalu, murah rezeki, dan selalu bahagia. Kali ini saya akan membagikan 3 kode penukaran chip gratis higgs domino. Perhatikan video ini sampai selesai dan jangan di-skip agar kalian paham dan tidak ada kode yang ketinggalan. Sebab jika ada satu huruf atau satu angka saja yang salah, maka kode tersebut tidak akan bisa ditukarkan karena ada kesalahan pada kodenya. Saya sarankan kepada kalian semua untuk menyimak video ini sampai akhir. Kode penukaran yang pertama.
6 AM and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Kode penukaran yang kedua.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your
Kode penukaran yang ketiga.
Scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's
Oke
in my
guys,
way, I
itulah
swear
3 kode penukaran chip gratis hits domino. Selamat mencoba dan semoga beruntung. Jangan lupa like, comment, share, dan subscribe. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya.
They wanna rise up while you try.